How to fix eSIM not showing up in your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and now let's get right into the tutorial. If your eSIM is not showing up on your iPhone, then first check the compatibility. Ensure your iPhone is eSIM compatible. Models from iPhone XS and newer support eSIM. Also confirm that your eSIM is activated. Check with your carrier to ensure your eSIM plan is active. You can also try to restart your device, as sometimes a simple reboot can fix the issue. Also, see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then check for iOS updates. Go to Settings and then tap on General and then on Software Update. Install, if any, available updates. You can also try to reset your network settings. To reset, in Settings itself, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Make sure that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. You can also try to re-add the eSIM. To do that, go to Settings and then tap on Cellular and then on Add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR code provided by your carrier or enter the details manually. Also, check for cellular settings. So, in Settings itself, tap on Cellular and make sure that your eSIM is listed. If it shows up, tap on it and ensure it's enabled. Finally, you can contact your carrier service. If the eSIM still does not show up, contact your carrier. They may need to assist with the activation or check for network issues. So, this is how you can fix eSIM not showing up in your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.